News.
Yamamo akwaba afitu mrika neshia yen ego Facebook and YouTube na yamfa kasebo no enchiri mu ankasa ensamu na meka sei oman Ghana mpenifo gusu a wonom toto nema ama oman Ghana aba beye oman baako a edwadie ebetumi akonkan yipa abo na mfidi dwuma so etumi etumpon no man yakoyenem ego punto mum na onimenyamfo no na oman Ghana odaye na dwadie na afi nso Enfirijuma ano onimenyamfo Elizabeth ofosu ajare edensem atodwa ekiremsem enmademu wohwa wiase afanda nyina titira bi mem ha sei opo man baako a ne hyehye pa ekonkan na dwade aye akona na eyo man Ghana odensem de tudwa na okopie mu ewo Commonwealth Enterprise and Investment Council dwumedi a etodwa ewo London na odensem de tudwa na ema mekasa edefasem titira na dwumadi na daso no eye Africans Next Chapter Building resilient, diversified economies. And all the two say, Washa or my Ghana, Chisha Ghana man penny, John Dramani Mahama, any NDC, a bandia go criminal at there. A con can you permanent, Obinisika, Eba Beshe or Magana Jediam, or more kata, Obenya Quenya Bujumaden, Obenya Jumaya for Kama, Manisika Semso, etimi acronym. Onimian for H, let me say, Ushan Shapa, a bang atono boas, dia go crema. Ebwapa impremprempo Ghana mampeni eni abeni japa abase o my Ghana yenkokwa ya yankase yete no yempede ni nyina da emfa nkama no ne enkonkoton na abrofo emfa nye milu emfa mena ye Ghana ema yen esika nkoye kitua bi da bi ebi kransi enti Ghana mampeni de japa gwakwama o my Ghana yankase yekoko no yetepe o hamugechemu aduonum 50% yebeda dani ewo manyim ede yemfidi dwuma kama ema de hye pi afaso anya dwuma jem sebe yebetumi ni ma adanani akoto amanone ya isikasem ebetimi akonkane ya mame Elizabeth ofosu echirem se eweyi ni hye pi no mampende agwa akoma yebo a my Ghana ya chechire ne kanko no etimi akonkan ni senti emna wakase odwumede na se ne wochirem se obasre amama ahodo mpanimfo opo man ba kwa risika koma ebeboa na wo investment asika na obenya na mputu aba watetenema eyo my Ghana eno wachi nso hwe Ghana membuo ne kameka membuo na bibia dedin atatai nim chese soja ban nim bibia kwakama hyehye pa efa ye mra hoto nyina bibia dedin a ebo adwade nti obesre bibia da opeso bedidwa no African Continental Free Trade Area obesre mada obi amfa ne sika emehwe o man Ghana adwadem na obenya so emfa so pewa ewo manyim.
Ghana has set a target to process at least 50% of its cocoa domestically. We have already installed grinding capacity of over 500,000 metric tons. The direction is set and it will not be reversed. The same logic is being applied to gold. Ghana is Africa's leading gold producer, with output reaching nearly 5 million ounces in 2024. Historically, almost all of it left the country as unrefined gold bars, with the refining margins estimated at 5 to 10% of the metal value captured abroad. The Ghana Gold Board, established under the Gold Board Act 2025, is now centralizing oversight of gold purchasing, assaying, and local refining. A state-of-the-art national refinery is planned with a target of locally processing at least 50% of gold output by 2028. We are also accumulating gold directly into reserves. Gross international reserve has risen to 14.5 billion, and the national reserve policy targets 15 months of import cover by 2028, anchored on the gold-based accumulation strategy. The results of this pivot towards value addition are already visible in our non-traditional export. In 2025, Ghana's non-traditional export sector hit a record $5 billion, a 30.7% surge from the previous year. Processed and semi-processed goods drove that growth, contributing 3.09 billion, up by 52.78% from 2024. Cocoa derivatives, paste, butter, and powder were the largest earner within that market.
Any awoti ye ayo swafo no e hwe man Ghana ye dwadie anafe emfidi dwumaso ne den edonumnyamfo Elizabeth ofusu ajare na wote ne nkan yanto akasebo no so na yemfe ye ne mfa nkyere mu ewa asoye a ehwe ejamframa dwumadie so ewo manyim mekire Ghana Cylinder Manufacturing Company etwanetia ekane se GCMC empanifo adensem atudwa ekirim se wohwe oman Ghana cylinders ahodo eba manyim adidi dwuma no hyehye ahodo mde agwa akwam enne wo meye hwehwem mapa edefa yen cylinders ahodo a yedidi dwuma ewo ya fiefiem okirem asesei dodo na ya de a ne tibi ewo mu no enya de beboa mahoba monsem atumi akonka ne kram na openi ekirem se sesei wohwe cylinders ahodo didi dwuma ewo ye jare ene ya fiefiem a oham gichemu beye aduasa 30% ni nyina da ensam fata kra didi dwuma ofia ebetumi akofa to yenchem ede abrayen na emperifo no moda eye Ghana Cylinder Manufacturing Company Limited anom omo kirem sesei cylinders ni pi wodi dwuma ofia ebetumi akofa to yenchem ade abrani pankwa ena afisu ejapade na mna moje mre ene nsentwerefo kasa ena kwankyerefo peni a no ene wada Ghana Cylinder Manufacturing Company anom openipa ne dinde Abdul Rahman eye manka o kirema sesei ebredu sem emperifo betena se hyepa gu akwam abo sabaya enemanim yada hyepa omde agu akwam eye hwehwem ede afa cylinders ahodo di dwuma wo yafiafie mu no obi ade ne de bekoroma hwehwem kama ehunu se yes cylinder makotoi esafata sem di dwuma wo fia engongofa to ye nchembia enframa me ene mabusuane agapade atwa me ho ahia nam opani chemse sesei omanga na memia hodo bi ho no ma ahya se hwehwem gu so a ekoso nanso memia pi ebi ni honom o kirema akrabopone mantemu asante mantemu kumase ana fitama ene o mahya se adwumadie no ekoso nanso obesere se omontratirem emfa nko man Ghana mantema hodo mensina hodo eni nkro nketo na akesiem nyina na mo asebaya giram frama didi dwuma no enwi nko wi akire enkofa awudie emfram na yen ene abusuan.
It has helped in bringing out cylinders that are not good from people's home to us for refurbishment, and we continue to encourage full participation, and also we plead to them if they are able to expand it to other regions. Currently it is being run in Accra, Kumasi and Tema, and so if it is expanded to other regions, I mean it is going to help a lot, especially in terms of keeping our cylinder safe. Very soon we are going to partner with NPA to do full-scale public education on the cylinder recirculation model. Because one thing we've realized is that at some parts, even in Accra, some people don't even know about the CRM. And so when we do the full-scale public education, we are sure people are going to come on board. And there is also something very critical we need to talk about. See, when you look at the cylinders that come here for the refurbishment, they usually come in batches. Sometimes they come and about 30% of them that come are not good and they are not safe to go back into the market. And so if not because of the cylinder recirculation model, we will still have those cylinders sitting in people's homes, and that is jeopardizing safety. And so the CRM is a very good policy that we all need to come on board. And so I also encourage and entreat the media to do more education on the CRM. So
eni a woti ye ono ana waje kwankyerefo peni edema Ghana Cylinder Manufacturing Company the den ede Mr. Abdul Rahman Manka ena wote ninken na no wachi na ranking member on the Energy Committee George Kwame Aboaje ekiremu asesei ehu behinya pa se oman Ghana ban benchehyepa ede atai Ghana Cylinder Manufacturing Company chipam no manchehye ni yebeboa emani papi enya dwumaje ena afi nso ahoba mmonsem betumi akonkan sebeya yahyehyɛ ahodo ekokoso we yedwam ena afiafie mu no eso betumi atie.
I'm appealing to the government, especially the way they have to go through PPE, that's procurement, before they can do something. It's impeding their work. We need, as a government, the government and then the politicians, I'm talking about the MPs and the parliamentarians, this is what we have to come together and think about how we can make GCMC a special case so that we can help them to develop, because they have a vision nation to expand, and it can also help Ghanaians workers. We are crying of unemployment. They can accumulate or take a lot of people as workers here, because when you listen to their retooling ideas, it tells you that when that is being done, a lot of people will be even employed. And this government is talking about 1 trillion, which means 24-hour economy. Even if they are able to do it, this 1 trillion can be a successful here. People can work overnight, because a company like this having just 30% of the market share is not in the good form. I'm appealing to the government for them to.
Any awoti or no, or your ranking member on the Energy Committee. The day a day, Onimian for George, Kwame Abuaji. Nekwa Kramonom, and the Energy Committee chairman. On Ukrainian so, and our year, Mashiba Jenny demanded sham. One ewo who west. The day Onimian for Emmanuel, Pezra, and Sukupium to Medinasi HM same. Adia Bakwa, Tete, Ghana Cylinder Manufacturing Company, Ninyan same. Sika hotwa ese efiri asoya ehwe omanga ne sika sem so ekokobua wo no mo no eya na etwentwen ne nase eba ne saa mom dwumadi omudie no enkonkan to obesere mpanifo eye mo ho nya ha ne ntumi mu asebe ya omusika sem be konkan adwumadi amobo titiru efa hoba monsem hotwa efa jamframa di dwuma we fiefie mu no hoba monsem no ebetimi akonkane
as a certificate authorization or financial clearance where the Ministry of Finance need to give them authorization to commence or to procure items. That has not come, and it is worrying that they've not received it today. We are in the second quarter, and so the committee will take it up because they have orders. They need to meet their demand. They need to meet those orders. They have commitment to petroleum. They have commitment, and that commitment has also not been fulfilled. And so we are appealing. I want to use this medium to appeal to the Minister for Finance to release their commitment authorization for them to work. Because look, this is a self-income generating institution. You don't need to depend on any finances from anywhere. If we retool them and give them that certificate to commitment, they would have bought their materials. They would have gone ahead with the things that they need to do. So the committee is appealing, but we'll also be writing officially as a committee to the Minister of Finance to expedite action on the commitment authorization.
Any awuti ye or no energy committee chairman. No Korean so they must be journey at the Madisha. One ewo who waste. Nidin edonimian for Emmanuel. Bezra and awate ni. Yantua Kasia one son yan fee ni infantry moon. Ewa Sante Mantemo, Niankupimu, ewo edreso and in potem. Na must journey at the Madisha. One ewa edreso, ewa Sante Mantemo. Eyon minyan for Kwabra Boateng Esquam. Or the Abasobody Cassia pa, Quasiboniba can say, scholarship. Ede ama edusian form. One ecosia pon. Totuana pode or hurt you know. 150 tertiary student. I want about 2 pesos so no money number of Madusian Musiano. Intimi Encon Canem. Na Jumedia Mashiba Journey Etwin Nada. Ekano, a yanshe pa, Diego Quema or Debois. Na addition etumi edehine. Na Ghana de shia one enimu nyansa wonu mediama pam. Esesa wonu kwagente tie no be ye penin pa bebo maga chechere ne pankwa. Edum pempen so asabi aboa ohia nti emba nimpan susuye nyina ka ne tiremu no ebetimi afiri mofra ye kwam na boa na mofra nyam ni de pa abeboa edwesoman nyina. Odi sandu tu dwamra na okopie mu ewadweso ase ahwe omaga ne homasua so wonu matena ye no nimnyamfo Boateng Esquire hrem se no hyehyɛ pod aguna ni so no anya semkuma oba beboa na bato mpesu aso nyinata empuntu akọ titiru na adusuafo am wanom pese omukosua pon mekyere universities ahoto e wo manganem nanso sika 70 akwaya kwansi de omuntumi nko school no obetimi aboa na omunyinada watuatua mu school fees no na mofrei etimi ekwakosua adem oniminyamfo hrem sem wo hwɛ first face na ode abana ode bebo ba sei emofra no mu pode ohadunum 150 no munyinada etimenya so mfa so beboa pa ma na bato mpesua so enhumasua konkan se beya school fu ahoto a wonom onimde wonyansa pa nanso sika 70 a etwe abokototo pada so aka wonom abusua nte no munya sika no emofrei akwanside be firi ho no matumi enya hoden akọ school na daache ye pade hwa mo bohoma nim nyansa edweso wonom sa etimi akabiem onimnyamfo kirem se opese na beso mpesua so mebunu ebetumi abeye akyerɛkyerɛfo ibabeye doctorfo nursefo plumbers na boa ema na bato mpesua so etimi akonkanem o kirem a obekwaso ene aso ehwe omanga na humasua so no ka biewom aka bomba kope na nipa do mbayi ombefa wo mo no wo mbesa feta se be ya nkwa se wedie kata so setepi enkwasa akra onyamfo kire mi se obesra mofra na da eka wo boi wo mamfa so mra so mo nya se onimnyamfo afa ye ho ka we ya mre enya mbotom sika enya mpapa ne boka entimi kwei mekwa kwedi agro mekwatwe mpona emesika ya kwahyiagu dabi eba ne sape enhye ne nkrama no nkoso nye bio ni senti kwa mokwei moyere mu nkosu ade ne dachi bia no adwosoman enya moso emfaso
you will see here me titinu so ni adesua sebeye na emrante ne mabawa aka no so omonso ebinya adesua pa sebe de oba be doctor ni de obe lawyer ni de obe teacher ni de obesua plumbing abeye best plumber de obesua tiling abeye best de obe the best businessman de obe bingo accounting mu any adesua all endeavors of life nyina no empe bebre ekutwa at the tertiary level yankopon cha de free enkwalabre mu ko SHS de abanfa hoka le mo invest ni de to de bia na eni hane kakra be ti ehonso na brase bedwa ni meso mesimo se behwe se enkoba se ohiane a ho kire nti obi ana nka wo so timi ko university ko nursing training ko teacher training ko polytechnic wo di ko sua bibi a skill ana a career no na ohia ma no ntimi akwa nkoye ko sa de na ebeka se poverty has been a hindrance to your potential which is something that we all don't want to see nti the meso media simedi so no so bia o pepa bia no in any of the tertiary institutions no meso meboa na the school fees no maboa amayetua se de be ya se fie mienso se fie nan no mudi ko school no afibia na meso meboa kakran se de be ya etso ya practice for be doso enim de for be doso omo masua adwuma wo joso be doso no any the real human capital a edimpuntu ebre
eni ya woti ye mahebetwani edema de hia wonom ewo edwoso ewo santimentemo ne den ede oniminyamfo kwabena boaten esquam na ne kwakra mu no ana desuafo a wonom ebabekosiapon a wonom enya dwumadie we ho emfaso no edna sekase pa edebam oniminyamfo kwabena boaten se waya de papa efrise enye wo ono pa de ankomade no komde abawie yekura na mafa kire mi se emo de abo we mo de aboa wonom pa hye mu nkura ne mo abre mo magani asua de ayiro mo ho pa na dachi bia no eka agwo ni mfaso a ebeba no enkwaya kwa efrise sebe so manyiro mo ho ansua de a ka wa boni nyanda no ebekwa akwaya kwa to mbegiro mo ho na wono mahye ne nyam emra esim
I lawyer Kognawat. Why at the pa ene say wabwai ama it's me it's here you fees nibi. I'm really grateful and I'm saying God should bless him and increase him in all his endeavors. We should all put in much effort to work hard and also lawyer and one of them boy and celebrate and was say or selecting students nibuno ya man is sensible na one of the buy na so aba faso
ya wa ya ma yeni so we say any obiana school fees ye betimi atuane ad ba wetime hu mo ba tuma yeni so pa ye na se na bo ponhia na o ma na bi mapa no musu ankoso mi tiayi afofanya but na yere me ho pa ye se be a madison no metimi akomen na ahye ne de enu
ene monyere mo ho se mbehye ne mnyam ente sa wono mo aka no obi anya bi efiri se mo ma ne boka gu a onye bio ene a woti ye aya disuafo a wonom ekosiapon ewo edweso wa santimentemu ana mote se mo de na CPC mo ten edema mo mahye betwane oniminyamfo kwabena boaten amane boy ye nsem twire ni babara kranten ene de firi asantimentemu ebesom yen yen to akase bon so yen kopiem ewo mpenifo na mo de o man Ghana ehwe hu ne sei adehya mode afire gitafo moto edidi dwuma wo mayi mu no monkrata asem bekon kanyama mom eden smart dwa ekirem sei o man Ghana enipa pi na kitakita motorbikes akodo wo mayi mu a jesen krata asem enya dwuma enkrata wonom editwi ye motorbike nso omunkita bi enanum senti endra dom bombode ya dwuma dene ewon krabo preman time a motorbikes akoto beburu beye wo ha na mtete ni nyina sisi honom empenifo kirem sei wonom ya omadwene sei ankombetu omo ho agumontene so ewo sanabo so metwa mu ewo mfempem mienu ne aduonu enum kira 2025 na ni nyinada na ka dwumadi soronko am na so ehwe omanga na nkita hodie na afi nso kwan hodo ye faso di dwuma ewo befo kwan so omo de betu dwa na nso entumi ambam tie sei de wo kire ma sese ombesera da wo bibiara kita motorbike ba modern sei wobetimi register wo motorbike no eno machi nso wobenya license to me krata ma kwan na motorbike no watumi atwi ma moye delivery okadafo ene obi niam na wode sen na bɔ na tufa ni nyina da ese wonya tumi krata edi ho dance say yes no kura mpa de mpa Ghana mra agi watum sente sana macha waso be hye no kire ma sese yimpo enipa odo machi wo mo nrada no ansa na wonsa beka motorbike no wo betua 600 Ghana cedis aka ni sika 6 million ansa na motorbike no wonsa etimi akam no penipa ono ya kasamafo edemakuei de den edemester ni yapoa eye Bekesen ene sentwerefo akasa ene wo kire mi se won pese omoboa na Ghana de hia wonom edi motorbike edi dwuma no won betua ma mraso die eye dwuma o kire ma edu ba bi na omo che wo ma na ye den pa nanso enam se Ghana Post Service asehwa ho ba moku eta o machinti omoboa pa mo che wo ma mo de emra ehwe mo nsem na omo mfa mra ensem edi dwuma ewo my Ghana moto ehwe mu o kire mi se wamekwaso apu adwuma ahwe na bibia to den bi mo ahyase a wonom eye omo krata asem nanso mu nwira mo de moto no enam kwan so na mo chewa emra ene obedi sadia ese.
More than 100 motorbikes have been impounded. We are working in collaboration with the Ghana Police Service. Yes, we are commissioned though, but the authority to intercept and impound motorbikes is vested in the Ghana Police Service. Absolutely. Yes, so they work with us to get the motorbikes, and we take them through the administrative process. The fine is 600 Ghana cedis, but registering is 570 cedis. So why wouldn't I do that and have the freedom to work the whole year, but wait for such an exercise before I, get impounded and then waste my time one. I pay a penalty to, then I start the process all over again. So it makes sense to do the system that is live, *928*007#. Go on there and then do, because we are not here to penalize anyone. We are just here to enforce the law. So there's an opportunity for you to go on the platform and then commence your registration processes.
We dear, Omadia Mama to Fobo, Omon person better to be anti deminaso, not bibia and conkai and fa and mount. And near would ye or no. And I say, ehuni say, oh my Ghana, ubetwi motorbike, and I say, Philip, the time for May Mua, on Crata 70 mo, when I nom Casama for, the day a day, ni Yaboa, Begesen, and I wate ning Ken. Yan to a Casabonan copy me, our monone, and sense mo, na ya fair an infantry mo. Ewo, South Africa meaning. Na make I say, video be enam, Abe for 10 times wa, Echremuam. South Africa adehye ne mpeniform kapie wom echiremu a enipa binom everyoneom amanso ede omonu akire South Africa wonum esi omonkwe e wo South Africa na so mu kiremi se ye no ne se na men ebimanya hodo atwa ye ho ahye obia wone mampeni obia wone mpenifo mosom man no enti adenti ene obia nkotena ne kurom na omoa na aban enye ne manye na ono so na ninye na unya bibi kaka na wafa ukuru wa so na wokọ watem de sabra no watem back no akwatena South Africa wono mu kiremi se ne me bia twam no omo ntena se nya bia da ne senti efri na ekọ woye bibini wofri Ghana wofri la Côte d'Ivoire Nigeria hefa mpo a bomoden sei wobabua wo man na wo man na tumpon na wonso wani matumi abanyam na ntesa na akọ South Africa mbɛyɛ mbɛbɔ bongalat ema wasanso akọ womam wono mu kiremi se wonom besre Ghana de hyetitiriw sei sa Ghana fo a ntentem so na mudimrika South Africa na makomo kwa koye adwuma wo kwansra hwepe na waka kronum ne nkrata asem so animu onpese ba fie bio o kire ma sesei sade ye kono o mani abre se krodom wo mu nya gya mo hu bio kura wa wonare wani ba kire ma South Africa wo kwa koye tire o koye premi jerry ni ade ese meme o mo kwa dodo na tire no mo ye se adwuma pa bia mpo nhye da ni ho na ade ade am itamu kire mi se woni na ba South Africa pe na mo chewa emrika tenta ade ba san ba fie no enya se mkuma kura na nyina ne se wono pese o moboa pa na Ghana ma no ye ne yie ene mama hodo ye bibiman no ye tampenifo na kire mo ye ne yie ne ye mogam enka ne kwankyere mpenifo se so mo ye o man ne yie a ye ntu kwan ko obi ma so na nkrata se menya de kwatena South Africa no ye ma ho kwan mebi ensi biom na mra na twetwen na no babai ekọ eso e wo mra mpenifo ne bi ekohia Ghana ni a mu kyem se ne nkrata se menye ento mo ma kwa ma na South Africa no koma twetwen ne se ye ene koye na nsa na no wo ba Facebook no so ye DLFM 106.9 kofi betu ma sound ne kakra na ye nhwa de wei chese bibini bi pa wo mo bro no South Africa in fact ahomete na atete na nya bo hia enka South Africa nso etukwa kosenkwe kofi ye hwa de enti dede yahodo a wotie yi eye bibini ye nia bibifo yi bi ena South Africa man no emu ade hia che na wono musibram no papa no sum saa no emu oye pa we kire ye se mpenifo no wadwuma ye fisobi ma so tena de enika nim na no wachi na Ghana ni a South Africa man mu mpenimfo eni hia hwetwe nkomo no sei ene koye.
We are fixing this continent. This thing of you guys moving from one country to the other, it's no longer working. We don't want this as African people anymore. We are tired of seeing African migrants moving all over the world, refusing to fix your own countries. Now we're making it very clear to you guys, Utitina, we don't want you here. We want you to fix your countries. Now you came here with a traveling document. You came with a passport. You know that you are a visitor, but now you decided to come and integrate in our communities. You know very well what you have done is wrong.
How many children do you have here?
We can come to Ghana and do what you're doing.
Passport.
Now you are carrying a bucket. It's 11 a.m. You are supposed to be fighting the government of Ghana there to ensure that they're getting things right.
No, there's no fight in Ghana. You must fight once a day.
Where's your papers?
Let me see your passport. Let me see. Luna. Okay, tell me, who's the police officer that you are bribing to certify these things for you?
I didn't bribe.
Baba, let me tell you, I'm not police. These things, let me tell you, you know by law you're not supposed to certify as an immigrant. You're not allowed to certify your passport.
No.
Okay, why do you certify your passport in a foreign land? Let's just start there. Why do you certify your passport in a foreign land?
You see, it was raining these days, and when you go out with the passport, sometimes it gets spoiled. That's why I certify it so that it won't spoil.
Baba, Ghana don't do that.
Okay.
Ghana don't do that.
All right, sharp. Let me show you.
Enti uba Facebook and FNC YouTube abete Ghana don't do this. Enya semkuma chese ahumeti onipa mo kofifa ba ko no moto so wate de akwaye ntokwa mo hwe bibini ni wo ho no mo no in fact emu ya Ewurade Nyankopon Jesus Christ Ghana ni no mache ne wo ho no mache se ensembisa ne ade kwaye o maye ya mpene ma ntena ha ne ade ade a emu nkire mu ene yede asumwe yenyina wo esine mu adwenkyere ne tew emfa nsom wo Facebook no eso na me wafase dola ya jewaje di aba na so ma ya ha o Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B kasebo ne mo de power hwe me live the Free Christian Village achem watancha kase nkoma na dofo nyina na me wafase Asante Emmanuel di aba na so ma ya ha o Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B hwe live the Free Accra Medical Center so da twede yampon Nyankopon ase na ode na se kase pam edema eye Ghana Post Service maintain so machichiche okadafo na wanom enimra so na omomfa mranya adwuma ewo manyim na dola ya je waje dia ba na o se dia news oja wom na odija fire pade tuatuato a ode abawiei na sanso na Janet se wa dia ba na o se Mr. Kwabanabo waten adwoso mahye bedwane wa ya dia papa se ne wode eye se dia dia hya de hya wanom ekwa university afuno mu ma pa nyamenhyira ne pi wanabo Kwabanabo waten nyamenhyira pa adwoso mahye bedwane sanso na Amos Labi eye osedu otiaba no good afternoon senior wonso mema good afternoon ni bi kasebo ne yemfansi na san be so no awoda chenchirenche ewo hae sami boni tew na ansa na masoro so ntisa metumi anyasem na woda we no ekọ ediama Greater Accra Regional Police Public Relations Officer the day ade Superintendent Juliana Obeng mama. Today happened to be your birthday. Nyamenhyira opi na onye wokese. Wa woda no. Omma adisuade hunu bi ade wani so no. Emremu. Enkwatenten onyini kire. Ahomammo emu ode. Na twede yampon Yankopon. Onfandom wom. Happy birthday goes to you. Superintendent Juliana Obeng. Kasamafo ade mankrabo premantemu eposifuo ku. Ene ewa woda nyamenhyira opi. Na akane na tema region na obutuo. Na mpelefoni kopie mu awa Sante Mantem Kumasi ko bo adwumaden ekosomye osanso kosomye ewa CID department ewa Ghana Post Service na sesei waba beye Greater Accra Regional Police Public Relations Officer mama nyamenhyira opi ni wawoda no onye ne soronko kra emfa mawo nyamenhyira opi ne kwakura mo no kofi bo amena me the picture ba ko bi ka ho eye wedding me ngofa ase mienu omo wade Mr. Tiemasem nidine mo desna no manam Mr. Tiemasem any route adai Nyankopon ya atoma akwesi de abai ebeye 26th April 2026 awade na bekwaso ewa Apostolic Church Ghana Pristia eho na dwumade betodwa ewa Mantem Western Region ebeto dwa no pa no nkroba pepe 9 am na wade no ahyase me am wo fa ase no na wey every one nabo doctor Alex ya brako a wono no dodo abano man na boro so ye prisi aheman assembly member ena awade we sini sere so nti Mr. Tiemasem ena fi root atai yankopo ya atoma Sunday 26th April 2026 awade ne baso Apostolic Church Ghana prisi aheman at exactly 9 am ye nyina time achi wana boda na aboro so metawachi enti pampe me baby ne nyina si fom na bibia etimi akonkan kase bone ye de si emusamufo no eja maze me belantwe se mu eti ema yen champion tailor de mekopie mu Facebook and afin se yiti makase bono wonya bi ehwe yem eno wachi me wo fa se makese ema ye molo support ifie hanom DJs gibi Mr. Sammy kwa echinchim kase frimfruma Edison me say technical producer okenkan na me kwa contract kwa beso mawie no edia meje so ya wofa ose ade the one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hotedin ene bantwe bona na otafri jame so a na adwo se gina pamfo ene dia adwumadie no e ba beto amo se ma munyina mo enitia ade hye
Give us P capsules. Give it